Hello, amazing learners. I am Gyan and welcome to English Magus, your go-to place for mastering English. Today, we shall unravel the mystery of articles a, an, and the. Do we say a apple or an apple? Do we say the moon or a moon? If you've ever hesitated while using these tiny but mighty words, then this lesson is for you. Stick around till the end for some interactive exercises. What are articles? Articles are small words that modify nouns. They tell us whether a noun is specific or general. We have two types, indefinite articles, a, an, and the definite article, the. Let's break it down. We use a and an when referring to something non-specific. They mean one of many. The choice between a and an depends on the sound, not just the letter. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. A book, a university, yes, university, because it starts with the u sound. A dog. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. An apple. An r, even though a starts with h, it sounds like it starts with a vowel, so we use an. An elephant. Easy, right? Now, let's move on to the. We use the when talking about something specific. It tells the listener that both the speaker and the listener know exactly what is being referred to. We use the when talking about something unique or already mentioned. The sun shines brightly. I saw a cat yesterday. The cat was black. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Got it? Let's test your understanding with some exercises. Here is exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Pause the video and write answers in your notebook. As you resume, you will find the answers. Pause the video again to check your answers. Good. Here is exercise 2. Pause the video and write answers in your notebook. As you resume, you will find the answers. Pause the video again to check your answers. Here is the last exercise. Pause the video and write answers in your notebook. As you resume, you will find the answers. Pause the video again to check your answers. And that wraps up our lesson on articles. How many articles did you do right? Mention your score in the comments below. Remember, mastering articles takes practice, so keep challenging yourself with more sentences, reading widely, and noticing how articles are used in real-world English. The more you practice, the more naturally they'll come to you. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!